The sleeves of the sweater are too long and too loose. Not comfortable. Use this method to tighten a range of slack cuffs. Extended wearing of same clothing can make you feel monotonous. Wow! A pretty little flower. If the neckline of the t-shirt is excessively large, what can you do? Is your pant too short for your liking? How to reduce the size of sweater cuffs and sleeves. This makes the cuffs smaller and decorated with bead embellishment. Don't cut off clothes that are too long. Simple. Beautiful. Don't cut the jeans if the thread is open and offline. Simple. Beautiful. Alter the waistband of the trousers that is too loose. Don't throw away broken socks. Don't throw away the sweater with an open hole. The pants are open along the seam. Repair a torn jacket. A torn leather repair.